Welcome to our video on deportations and legal challenges. Today, we are going to explore the complex process of deportation, focusing on key aspects of judicial oversight and related legal considerations. In this video, we will cover an introduction to deportation, the judicial review process, asylum claims, rights and warrants, and finally, key takeaways from the discussion. Deportation, the act of removing a non-citizen from a country, involves a complex legal process with many challenges. In many jurisdictions, deportation decisions come under the scrutiny of judicial review. This implies that individuals facing deportation have the right to contest the decision in court. They can present evidence and arguments and appeal the initial decision if they deem it unjust or feel it violated their rights. A core principle across many legal systems is the right to due process. This means individuals facing deportation are entitled to a fair hearing. This includes the right to present their case, secure legal representation, and have their case considered impartially. If these rights are not provided, it can serve as grounds for challenging a deportation order. Individuals seeking asylum often receive specific legal protections. In many countries, those claiming asylum cannot be deported until their claim is heard and decided. This ensures that those fleeing persecution can present their case and seek necessary protection. When law enforcement agencies, such as ICE, are involved in immigration enforcement, understanding legal requirements is crucial. Agents typically need a warrant to enter private premises, which should be valid, judge-issued, and specifically name the individual sought. Moreover, individuals have rights during encounters, such as remaining silent, seeking legal counsel, and being informed of detention reasons. Let's have a quick quiz. What is required for law enforcement to legally enter a private property? Is it an invitation, a notice, a warrant, or none of the above? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We'll discuss the answer in the next section. The correct answer is a warrant. Law enforcement typically needs a valid, judge-issued warrant to enter private property. Let's recap the key takeaways. Deportation processes are subject to complex legal and judicial oversight. Individuals facing deportation have the right to a fair hearing and due process. Asylum seekers often have protections against deportation until their claims are resolved. And knowing your rights during law enforcement encounters is crucial. Before we end, it's important to note that the information provided in this video is intended for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. For advice relating to your specific situation, please consult with a qualified legal professional. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below.